Hi guys, so I'm back here again doing one more vibe coding feature with Fireproof. Now this is a new site, Vibes.DIY, created by Fireproof, and it makes vibe coding easier. This is my first time using it, so let's see how it works. So I've written out this simple prompt here. Create a Jira clone as a single page web application that uses Fireproof for data persistence. I told it the Kanban feature should have the to do, in progress, review, and done that lets it support drag and drop functionality and some other, basic prompting that will help it to give me the right application, right? Um, so, so I'm going to click on this button and prepare myself to be wowed, right? So it is loading. Wow, I can see the application is coming up and the code button is spinning. I guess the code will appear. I guess the code will be here. Let us just wait. Yeah, we'll just wait a bit while it loads. And so while we are waiting, let's just talk a bit about Fireproof here. Fireproof is a vibe coding database. It runs in the browser, it fits in the context window, and syncs everywhere. A very important feature of Fireproof is that it's it's local first, but also you can sync this data using an online data store like S3 or IPFS. Yeah. So it's very easy to use. It helps you keep your data offline and gives you that database feel while not making um, any network calls yet. So here it looks like the code is getting ready. It's still spinning, right? It's still spinning. Hmm. I can't wait to see what it's going to give us. Okay, so here we can see it already gave us some outputs. It says it's a simple yet powerful Jira-like project. How to use the app, create new projects by clicking new project button, switch between projects, use demo data button to populate your board with simple tasks. Hmm. Okay, so let's create a new project. So let's call this project X. So I have a task, let's say task 1, do the required tasks, then we'll go ahead and create task. Okay. Let's test the drag and drop. Wow, did you see that? I can drag and drop a task. Okay, so let's add one more, a complete task, this time with a higher priority. Okay. This is making a lot of sense. Wow, this is giving us a Jira like feel already. Yeah, so moving on, let's see what's in the code and data tab. In the code tab, we can see it's using the use firework hook from React, and yeah, they used fireproof React hook, and what's it doing? It's importing a couple of stuff. Also, it's using call AI, React, use effect, and kind of storing a lot of things to state. So let's see the interactions it's having with fireproof database. We can see database.put comment here, which is interesting. Okay, and so we are creating activities, we are logging them. So let's take a look at the data tab. Wow, this looks like a SQL database already. Yeah, it's having all the data we have. So this is a project, okay, and this is an activity. Hmm. And this is a task, the ones we created, and we can see how we move the tasks and it's logging them to a say something that looks like a relational database. This makes a lot of sense. It gives us this nice view of how like our application is stored in fireproof memory. So this is nice, really nice. And we also have our activity feed. Let me move this. Yeah, so you take a look at this activity feed. Let me move a complete task back to review. Wow. You can see how activity feed was added. So this is a very interesting way to use fireproof, and you can educate yourself here from the code tab just to see how the application was generated. You can also delete tags, add comments, activity. Yeah, this is very interesting. All the tools were installed here even without me doing VS Code. This is like very basic for anybody. Yes. So they also gave us a demo data button. So demo data is empty. Okay, so this is making a lot of sense. Try out use Fireproof today. I'm going to leave the links in the description and let me know what you think. Thank you.